Going to be for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. All you need to know about your love life, your situation, where things are going, what your person up to. So let's start. First three cards for you, and then we move to your person. So let's take first card. What's your challenge going to be for the next 14 days, Pisces? Right now with Seven of Cups, you guys are confused. You do not know what's right, what's wrong, or which path to take, which a path you have to let go of, like which person you have to let go of. Some of you could be having options. You have been manifesting something that did not exactly go your way. Okay, with Seven of Cups, there's lots of confusion, lots of drama in your life which you need to clear. Okay, you need to face the truth. Okay, and with Seven of Cups, you need to be more practical with this situation. Okay, instead of emotional. I believe the truth is the answer to all your questions, where whatever confusion you have, you have to see it practically. Okay, one more card in terms of what needs to change, in terms of what needs to change in Pisces life. I believe with King of Swords, some of you need to possibly speak up. Okay, if you've been hiding or if you've been not wanting to face the situation, you need to speak up. You need to speak the truth. You need to face the fact that whatever the situation is, relationship, work, family, you need to speak what you feel, like how you feel, your whatever you have in your mind. Okay, you cannot be suppressing it would just lead to you stressing out. Okay, one card for what's coming your way. What's coming your way, Pisces, for the month of June, from now till the end of the month. What's coming your way with Page of Pentacles? I see possibly an earth sign. Okay, if it's not earth, I think it's air for some of you, or you could be dealing with an air sign, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. If not, earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. This person will be messaging you. It's a small offer, but it's still some sort of action towards you. Okay, I think this person is someone who has been taking the longest time to reach out. Okay, for selected few of you, this person could be a bit younger. Okay, for those who have kids, this might be your kid reaching out as well, someone who wasn't very much in contact. Okay, so I see this person having to offer you a small thing which is still something, right? So communication might happen. Okay, in terms of your person, how are they going through? What's this person going through? With Ace of Wands, that this person, I believe, is thinking about you in a very sexual manner. Okay, some of this person might also be someone who's all about themselves, all about their looks, all about their body. Okay, someone who tries to flex themselves too much. Okay, one more card. In terms of how to think about Pisces now, how is this person thinking about Pisces? To be honest, this person is still stuck on you. Okay, they still think of you, they still miss you, but I think they haven't taken any sort of action that is bothering you. I mean, you're confused as to why this person hasn't reached out. You would want to communicate, but you're choosing not to, I believe. Okay, one more card. In terms of their energy towards you, Pisces, so much energy towards Pisces, please. Yeah, we have a lot of sexual energy here. This person might also be having fire in their chart: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, some way Sun, Moon, Rising. This person, I believe, is very much like passionate about you. You know, they are fantasizing about you. You know, they could be touching themselves, thinking about you as well. Okay, a lot of wands here. Okay, but I still think this person could be draining you just by thinking about you. Okay, this person hasn't been taking any sort of action towards you in the recent past, but in terms of their energy, I think this person wants to. Okay, in terms of their feelings, like what are their feelings towards Pisces, please? What are their feelings towards Pisces? Empress card. This person considers you as a source of love, as a source of happiness. Okay, they look at you as someone who's very mature, as someone who has lots to offer, someone who is marriage material as well. Okay, this could be someone who you were married to in the past for select few of you. If it's not that, then this person could have thought of you as someone he wanted to get married to, he or she. Okay, one card for in terms of their heart space. How do they think about you, Pisces? Two of Wands. In terms of their heart space, they still want to come forward. Okay, in the recent past, they chose to stay away, but right now, I see this person wanting to plan to come forward to make a move to just like just send some communication or like just trying to be in contact in some which way. Okay, I believe for many of you, this person could be slightly younger to you. Okay, one card. In terms of how do they view Pisces now? How does this person view Pisces? We have the lovers card. I think this person wants you. If they have had options in the past, I believe this person wants to choose you. Okay, with five of swords, that there's still this ego factor that could be still blocking the connection. Otherwise, this person is totally into you. Okay, one card. In terms of their intentions, how are they coming forward? In terms of their intentions, please. In terms of their intention with justice card, they want to make things right this time. Okay, it will start from communication to compromising to getting back on the same page as you and trying to give in as much as you've been giving in. Okay, right now they are totally lost sleep over you. Like they have been overthinking. Okay, you are completely on their mind. If you've been feeling drained lately, you know the reason why now, right? One card for in terms of action. What action do you want to take towards you now? What action does this person want to take towards Pisces? With five of wands, they will try to get your attention somehow through whatever means possible. This person will try to get your attention. They could also try to get you jealous, to be honest, or to get you upset to get a reaction out of you. I do not know if you guys have blocked them, but if you have, this person will try to get a reaction through whatever means possible. Okay, one card for where things could be going for Pisces and their soulmate for the next couple of weeks. With three of cups, there is a solid chance of getting back together, regarded you are open to this. Okay, so what's Pisces energy towards their soulmate? What's Pisces energy towards their soulmate, please? Okay, with page of cups, I believe many of you still have those feelings for them, even if you are not expressing it. I still believe you have feelings for them. Okay, top card we have is hanged man, but you're choosing not to take any sort of action towards them. Okay, but you'd wish if this person comes back with a solid apology or some gift maybe. Okay, so one card for what can you expect from this person? What can you expect from this person? Yeah, with ace of cups, this person definitely wants to reunite with you. Okay, for some of you, if this is a new person, totally go for it. I see them coming clean. But if it's a past person, also I see some of you, this person has the intentions of getting back. However, they may feel that you might not exactly be open because of whatever they've done to you in the past. Okay, so for Pisces who are single, what's to come for you guys? Pisces who are single have yet to heal from the past wounds, past pattern. Okay, with four of Pentacles, it's best that you hold on to yourself and heal. Utilize this time to possibly recharge. Okay, I don't see you possibly meeting something good right now. Who are single, who haven't had met anyone whatsoever. It's time you just focus on yourself. In terms of your finances, what's to come? In terms of your finances have been very slow. I don't think there's any growth, but yes, it's been it's on, but it's stagnant. Okay, but with Knight of Pentacles, I see you struggling a bit. Okay, but you you're possibly getting like whatever profits you have to earn, but you are not making much. Okay, it's just to sustain yourself. Okay, in in the coming week, what's to come? In the coming week, what's to come for Pisces finances? I don't think you should invest into anything new right now because your luck seems a bit slow. What's to come? I believe in the next couple of weeks, things are going to be slow. You're going to be waiting for better opportunities. You could be also waiting for a job call for some of you. Some of you want to relocate to another place or move to another place for possible better opportunities. Okay. Overall, what's to change in your financial life? I believe you need to be very practical and at the same time be very positive. Okay, like when you're positive, you manifest good outcomes, right? You need to be positive about things working your way. You cannot be negative and expecting a positive outcome coming from a situation. So you need to manifest, and you need to be very positive. You need to have a very positive mindset. Okay, and you need to act on whatever dreams or goals you've got. You can't really be sitting there and expecting everything to fall on your lap, right? Overall messages for Pisces. What does Pisces need to know? Guilty for treating you bad. Okay, this person definitely feeling guilty for treating you bad. So I believe in the past this person was just using you for benefits, sex, fame, escape. Okay, in the coming future, what do we see coming up for Pisces and their soulmate? So U-turn, we have changing plans, which I definitely see going in your favor. Someone who did not want you, who wanted to just use you, is right now mad at you for not reaching out, and someone who very much wants to fix things with you. So I definitely see reunion energy. Regarded you want this, if you don't want this, you have to force anything, so don't take it personally. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. All those who want to get a personal reading with me, please visit my website and book one for yourself. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you have a great week ahead. Cheers.